Hi, it's Luke, and today we're going to be talking about the Dji Mavic Pro and how I've used it over 3 years as a professional filmmaker. And if it's worth getting one for yourself, if you are a filmmaker as well, or if you just want to get a drone as your first time, considering how much it's come down now since it came out in 2016. I'm also going to be talking about how I've used it and how it's worn over the years. Let's get started. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Wherever I use my Dji Mavic Pro, I've used it in many places when I've been creating my travel films, such as Sardinia, Iceland, Malta, Wales, Scotland, and lots of other places, because it's just been great because it folds. It's an excellent travel drone. So let's talk about the specs of the Dji Mavic Pro. If you're a filmmaker, the most important thing to you is the camera and the image. It's a 4K camera and it's 12 megapixels, and it's not the best image compared to an Inspire, but it's great considering its size. Now, I use Polar Pro filters on the front of my drone because it really helps to keep that shutter speed down to give it the most cinematic look possible. So if you are going to invest in a Mavic, definitely get some ND filters for it. So now let's talk about the things that I do not like about the Dji Mavic Pro. The first thing is, because it's quite a small drone with small motors, it's not great in the wind, and that can be an issue. So if you are going to be flying somewhere where it's quite windy and you still want a slightly portable drone compared to an Inspire, I definitely recommend the DJI Phantom 4. And the other thing that I'm not liking about this drone after 3 years of use is the autofocus can sometimes be unreliable. So it's usually like 8 out of 10 shots that are really good, but that's still great considering its price in 2019. Let's go to the next step. So thank you for watching this video, and I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, do let me know in the comments below, and I'll make more videos about this, reviewing other pieces of camera equipment that I've had over 3 years and how I've used them and how they've been an investment in my filmmaking business. The Dji Mavic Pro is now $999, which is a lot cheaper than when it came out, so I really do recommend it. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.